Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with DoorDash DashPass settings UI using OAuth, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with DoorDash DashPass settings UI using OAuth, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the DoorDash developer portal. Create a new application if you haven't already done so. Make sure to note your client ID and client secret. Go to the OAuth settings within your application. Set the redirect URI to the endpoint that will handle the authentication response. Prepare the OAuth authorization request URL. Include the necessary parameters such as client_ID, response_type, redirect_URI, and scope. Use the appropriate endpoint for the authorization request. Access the authorization URL in your web browser. Log in to your DoorDash account if prompted. Authorize your application to access your DashPass settings. After authorization, you will be redirected to your specified redirect URI. Capture the authorization code from the URL parameters. Send a post request to the token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, redirect URI, and the authorization code in the request. Make sure to set the correct headers for the request. Upon successful response, you will receive an access token. Store the access token securely for future use. Use the access token to make authenticated requests to the DoorDash API. Test the access token by making a sample request to the DashPass settings endpoint. Monitor the token's expiration and refresh it as needed using the refresh token obtained in the initial request. By following these steps, you can successfully authenticate with the DoorDash DashPass settings UI using OAuth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.